This is the Iron Trader and TGIF. Wow, another great week in trading here. So as usual today, we are going to look here at crude oil and natural gas. Now the rig count will be out at 1 p.m. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, your daily chart. Now, today's low here so far is 68.06. Now, if you look at this candle right here, okay, the low on that is 68.07. Okay, so that's just going to be your support levels right there. Now, if that is lost, then we want to look here to this candle here. You're looking at 67.15, and then you have your big retest here at 66.80. Okay, that's going to be very, very key level there of support. But, you know, if you look here, your trading channels are still intact. You're just basically going, like a sideways action. Now, on the upside, what we want to do is we want to look at yesterday's low, okay? So what you want to do here is looking at 68.93. Then we want to look here at this 8 SMA here, sitting at 70.23. And then your 21 SMA, 70.69. Now, if you can get ahead of that, then we look to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 72.03, and then we have 72.38. And then yesterday's candle there, you got 72.65. And then your big resistance level there is going to be 72.95, which is going to be your 50-day. Now, if you can get above, then we look here at your 100 SMA, 74.40, and then your price channel is sitting at 74.73. Now, if you've been watching the videos, you notice I've been pointing out how these are just trending right on down. Your 200 SMA, your 100 SMA, your 50 SMA. That's never a good sign here. And now look here, your 21. If that rolls below the 8 SMA, that'll take the price right on down. Okay, so you got to be very, very careful, very, very vigilant here on your trading. Okay, so on the upside, again, just watch this key 8 SMA and the 21. Those are going to be very, very key resistance levels. And then on the downside, watch this candle here. That's going to be 68.07. And then we want to 67.15. And then basically your 66.80. Okay, level right there. So that's going to be very, very tricky day today. We just got to see how it all shakes out. Let's take a look here on the weekly and the monthly. All right, you can see on the monthly chart, you're still basically intact. Okay, you're still looking here, 66.04. That's your 50 SMA, very, very key level of support. And then we have 72.73. That's your 200-day, very, very key level of resistance. So here on your weekly chart here, this is what I always point out here, and now is watch 67.44. That's your 200 SMA. That's very, very key support. And obviously, if it's lost, then we look here, 65.38, 64.36, and then you have your retest there at 63.64. Now, on the upside, you got to watch this 8 SMA here. See how it's just kind of rolling back down again? That's never a really good sign. That's sitting at 71.09. If you can get ahead of that, then what you do is you look at 74.31. That's your 21 SMA. But it's not looking really too good. Everything is just pushing this price right on down here. So we just got to see how this all shakes out. So just watch your key 8 SMA here on the top side, and then you watch your 67.44. That is your key level there on your support level. All right, let's take a look here at natty gas. Okay, natty gas here. This is your 1 hour and your 4 hour chart. Okay, so you can see where it's sold off, and then basically a nice sideways action. Now the key is going to be it needs to get above this 2.63. That is going to be the key level right there at 2.63. Now, if it can get above that, then your target there is going to be 2.696. Now, a close above that, then she can rip to that 3.027 level. That would be the target that we'd be looking for here. So you can see here on your 4 hour chart here, where you just double top there, and it's sold right off. Now we're trying to get regain the traction to get right back up there. But again, that 2.696 level there, that's going to be the very, very key level. Let's take a look here on your daily chart. Now, here on your daily chart here, your price channel is still very nice intact here. You're looking at that same 2.69 on the top, 2.136 on the bottom. But if you look at this 8 SMA, it's curling up very, very nicely. See how it's holding all the really good key support level, sitting at 2.52. So that is going to be your first support level. If that's lost, then we have 2.35. That's your 100 SMA here. You have your 21-day here sitting at 2.37, and then we have your 50 SMA here sitting at 2.31. So everything's kind of jammed up here, except for the 8-day is rising up very nicely. But the key is you just have to get above this key 2.69 level. If you can, then we just start looking to these candles right here. So you're looking at 2.83 here. You're looking at 2.86, but this is to be the target right there at 3.027. Okay, so we just got to see how this all shakes out here. Just watch that key price channel. That is going to be the key. Now I'll have more for you, more in depth here on crude oil and natural gas here after the pits close at 2:30. Thanks for watching.